Hi there. Thank you so much for watching EduSmart. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get AWS course and certification absolutely for free. You can download your certificate in just 10 minutes. I'm going to show you. So do not skip the video anywhere because I'm going to show you the complete process right from beginning to the download of certificate. So let's get started. So everyone out there, this is Vinay and I make these videos on free courses, certifications, paid courses for free, internships, scholarships, whatnot. You just check this channel after watching this video completely. Now open your browser and search for aws.training. You can see this aws.training. This click, just click on it. If you are new to this, click on create account, else click on sign in. So what is this? So for this training and certification for free, you need not have AWS account. You just need to have your Amazon account. So what is Amazon account and AWS account? Now AWS account is a providing services by the Amazon. They provide some services like storage, machine learning deployment models, many more. They provide a lot of services that are essential for professionals. And Amazon account is a simple one. You need not provide anything here. This is just like accessing your Amazon account. For AWS account, you need to provide your debit card and credit card details. But for Amazon account, you need not give such details. So for this, you need not give any details. You just need to click on create account, provide your email ID, provide your password, create a password, and then verify your account. That is how you will get Amazon account. Now I already have an account, so I'm not going to create account. Instead, I'm clicking sign in. Now just come here and click on sign in again. After creating your account, if you are new to this, so now provide your email address and click password. So once you are done with this, you can start with how to get the course and certificate for free. Now click on sign in. It will redirect you to the AWS training dashboard page. So under dashboard page, you will see what are the courses that you have completed and what are the courses that are in progress. Now I have this machine learning basics is a course that I have enrolled for and this is in progress. But I have also completed one course before just today, which is this course. See this recently completed. I have recently completed introduction to AWS IoT and this one. This is an e-learning platform and this is a video course. Now for this e-learning, let me show you the certificate. So this is the certificate I have got from today. This course is data analytics course and the duration is 3.5 hours. I have completed today itself and I have got the certificate being offered by the AWS training. I have downloaded this certificate. Now you can also download the same way. After completing this course, okay, let me take you on to the courses available now. Under learning library, you can see the various courses. See, these are the various courses. Now this is an e-learning and learning. So different courses are available here like machine learning, data analytics, networks, networking, security, and the AWS cloud essentials and exam readiness course, IoT courses. There are a lot of other courses like neural networks is also present here. There are a lot of the dozens of courses available AWS cloud as well. You can check out these courses and get the course whichever you like. You can enroll for any number of courses for free and get the certificate for free. There is nothing like that. So there are two types of trainings available. One is online and the other is classroom training. In online training you will get you will directly get this course completed and get your certificate as and when you like. But for classroom training you need to schedule some time. So it is just like a regular classroom coaching. You need to schedule the time for that course. So it's better go for online courses because you can get it as and when you like and complete and get the certificate. So you can see a various number of courses are available. As I said, IoT, machine learning, AWS cloud, and neural networks, like security. So dozens of courses were available. You can see the domain and you can see all those cloud essentials, cloud computing, data analytics, database, etc., etc. So these were the different courses that are available. Now you can see this e-learning. This is 3.5 hours course, database specialty. This is like these are e-learning courses. It means online courses. And if you see above video, it means a video course. This is a video course. This is SQL, etc. MySQL basics, Amazon Aurora. Like this, these are the courses that are available. So let me give you a demo of any one course that you can complete and get your certificate the same way I have got, and you can showcase on it your resume and impress your interviewer. Now this is AWS Certified Database Specialist. First of all, when you click on a course you selected, click on this launch button which is present on the right hand side, top right hand side. After you click on launch, this course will be resume. It means you need to click on resume course. This is an online course as I have mentioned. So for this online course, you need to allow pop-ups. So if you have blocked this, click on launch course again. So it might take some time to load it completely. It will depend on your internet speed as well. So your course is loading here. Once the course is loaded, you can complete and get your certificate. So this is the course details as AWS Certified Database Specialist. So once you're done with this, you can see there are about practice quiz, course wrap up, etc. Workload, etc. These are the various courses available. You just click on start course. So this is about this start course. It will show you like this, right? So once you're done with this, come here. Just this is the course. You can learn this, and you will have a good knowledge on this. Click on just continue. So this course has been completed. Now this module has been completed. I have not read this, right? So simply just if you are interested to get, you can read this. But I have already read this and I have completed it. So I'm showing you a demo of how to get it. So this just you scroll down, it makes that you have completed this. If it is a video, you can directly move on to the end of the video and click play the video. It will ensure that you have completed that video. So that is about this course. Like this, you need to complete this. Just click on continue, continue, and continue till the end. This will ensure that you are completing all the domains of this like modules, and at the end it will be showing that you have completed this. So here it is again. So at the end there is a practice quiz. You can directly view results. It will estimate when you click on view results. It means that you have completed that quiz also. So you need not view the quiz even. This is pretty simple, but the thing is it will be valuable. The certificate will be useful only when you really learn the course rather than just what I'm showing you doing this. If you do like this, you cannot get this. I have already completed this course. I have got knowledge. So this way I'm showing you to get this way, but this is not the correct way to get this course. You just complete on your own. Only then your certificate will have a value, because when you add your certificate onto your resume, the interviewer will definitely ask you some questions about this course. If you don't know anything about this course, then the use of this course is absolutely useless. This, right? So this is the reason you should complete this. For everything, there is a quiz at the end. You do not forget that. I'm showing you the process. You can see this. So these are the important things: course, wrap up, etc. Under your dashboard. So once you complete all this, under your dashboard, you can see this course completed. And when you click on that, you can view your certificate, and you can use Control plus P to print your certificate, which will download in the form of a PDF, as I have shown you earlier, right? So this is another domain 3. There were some other domains that are to be completed. This is the way and everything for every module, and this is an online e-learning course. Some other are videos. You can directly skip the video till the end. So when you skip the video till the end, it will ensure that you have completed the course. So this is the way for everything. I'm just showing you this, and I have already completed this course, but I'm showing as a demo how I got done within easy methods. So once again, I'm suggesting you not to use that way, like what you have already done, because this is not a correct process. Your certification should have a value. What is this? I'm not showing. Domain 4. There's domain 4. Also, if you get any such troubles, you just move on to the next domain and complete it. That's it. Let me try directly onto moving on to course wrap up. Will it ensure or not? No, it will not be, I think. Let me move on. You can see your progress at the dashboard of the course also. So this is a very big course which is about 2.5 hours or so. So this is how we are moving on to the domain. So we have finally come on to the end. This is very now easy because this is a database security. Like this is very easy course. Like this, you need to move forward till you complete it. This is after this, there is a practice quiz that is very simple. You need not even give the quiz I said earlier. I hope you are watching this video or not without skipping. So whenever I provide videos, please do watch them till the end because it will increase the watch hours for this video so that people like you can get this access. Like if you get good watch hours, YouTube will promote your video onto the homepage of many students. So never ever do not skip the videos till the end because I tell important things even only in between the video. If you skip that, you are going to lose it. See, these are the various quizzes available. This is the practice note like that. So you can see this continue. I think we have come to an end now. This is the time to test your knowledge, they are saying. You need not even see, you can directly click on view results. So when you scroll down, this will be moving like this. It will ensure that you are done with this. So when you are done, come finally, it will mean that you have completed this. Yes, continue. See, I did not even give you that. Registering for a certification or practice exam, go to your account, sign into your AWS account. If you wanted to register for the AWS practitioner exam, you can directly register for that. I think, but that might cost you some money. To print a complete, click complete certification. To print a completion certificate, click evaluate. Now this I have already completed, right? So this is why it's showing like this. Uh, it will ask you for a survey when you finally complete this course survey. Give us your feedback. So this I have already done with this, so it is not asking me for do it again. So if you are new, you will see something like course survey button. Click on that survey button. It will take you onto that. Now let me close this pop-up. Under your dashboard session, you can see this. So once you download this, see this. See this AWS Certified Data Analysis Specialist. This has been completed. You completed this course on May 22nd. So certificate of completion is here. When you click that, you can see your certificate. See, certificate of completion. Jakula Vinay has successfully completed exam readiness AWS Data Analytics Specialty. So this is what how I completed the AWS Certified Specialty. You can check it once you complete your download session. You can get it onto there and get it. So now this is also recently completed. You completed this course on May 22nd. Just click on the certificate of completion. Now you can see this. You can see this, right? Now clear right click here, you can see this print option, or else you can use Control plus P, which will ensure that you are printing this certificate. Now I'm printing on this, it will make sure that I have got this certificate for free. I'm saving this. You need to provide a data, like you need to give a name for this. I'm giving something like this course is about IoT, right? I'm providing IoT. Now click on save. This will save your certificate. on your that's it. You are getting your certificate in the form of a PDF. So that's all about this video. If you like this video, do not forget to share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you guys.